welcome back to our channel. And today, I don't really know what to do. Just stare at the wall, I guess. No. Today, we are just gonna chill, I guess, or play some Minecraft. Those two and some Minecraft. So, I have some news on what's today? So today's the 7th, and on the 11th we are going to Washington. We're going to a hotel for 3 days, and we're gonna go to the pool, and we're gonna go to the beach, and we're gonna go like everywhere. So drop a big like and subscribe to my channel, cause I'm not like YouTubers. I'm not a YouTuber yet. I'm just like a beginner or something. So yeah, drop some likes, please. Burr. So it's 3:05 right now. Right there. Candy. Yeah, I'm gonna eat one. Hold up, I'm gonna eat one. Candy. I'm not telling my nothing. Alright. My cat here. Oh no! Do not. He's outside. Hi. No.
You look cute.
Thank you.
I like your outfit. Venga a saludar.
Put up. Guys, I'll be back. Alright? I'll be back.
Forget about it. There's nothing like, hey, there's nothing that you can't do too much for me.
Man, the bar is hooking all my friends over here now.
So
Oh, Gary, I told Rosie I got it on, don't worry.
Oh, you did?
But
Then
thank
I'll
you.
come down to
No, but thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
Where you going?
Joseph, come here. Did you bring your control, or did you left in the car? Oh. Oh my God! Next time you come here, just make sure you just bring your control. If your mom says. Well, I don't really care. You can go. Oh my God! You can go play some Minecraft upstairs if you want. What? I know, I can touch it. I can touch it too. Wait, hold the camera. Ooh. Oh! Oh my God.
I'm gonna zoom into your face.
No, stop it, dude.
Let's go ahead and just.
I try to touch it with my. No, I try to touch it with my sandal. Where did it land? Oh. Where did my sandal go? Oh my god, where did my sandal go? What?
I eat all the tacos.
Bruh. We got upgrade in our Minecraft world. We got baby Endermans now.
The hell?
I know.
You saw my account?
Wait, what?
You saw my account on Xbox?
Nah, I think you deleted it.
No, I sent it down. There's a difference.
How could I go upstairs and play something? My room is nice and fresh. Come on.
My room's dirty.
Oh,
And there's so fucking cold in here. Oh,
it's cold in here?
no. I just said that because it's hot outside.
Well, I haven't been outside for like 4 days already.
Well, I have to go outside because I'm in the house.
That's all you come for.
Yep. I can't lay in this bed. I have to go like this. So where is it on? The hell?
Wait, what? I turned it on already.
I know, I love my game music.
Whoa.
Look,
How did my
even if I go out here, I can go all the way over here. Wow.
Bruh. Wait, do you have a twin?
No.
Which one? A fool? I mean like a twin bed, like bed size.
Yeah.
Mine is queen.
See, I told you.
What? You still have it?
Yeah.
How did you get on it? You just go to...
No, just go like this. See, look, I'm gonna go on your account.
Alright.
I'm gonna go on your account, and I'm gonna sign myself out.
Alright. No.
No,
I'm
me.
telling... No, don't sign yourself.
Look. Pioneer, search profile. They signed you back in automatically.
Oh my god. Alright.
I
So...
was gonna buy you a gift card. Look, I had
the
a 20.
Oh.
But I
Thank
couldn't
you.
find any.
Oh well.
Because they all had 25. And I'm
25? You want me to give you 25 of this right now? Why? I'm just 7. Why would you buy me a gift? Well,
You can buy stuff.
wait, how many was the gift card? The gift card.
There's $100, 50, 25, 30, and 15.
Which one were you
The
gonna
15
buy?
is really hard to find.
Oh, yeah.
Because the 31
I know. I was in that business too.
I have so many gift cards in my room.
Damn.
And I bought so many gift cards. I bought 5 of the 100 ones.
Dang.
3.
That's why you have $7,000. I mean, $700.
No, I have $1,000 in my Xbox account.
Oh my god.
If only at
So how much was the gift card that you were gonna
No.
buy me?
I was gonna buy a 25, but I forgot.
It's okay.
$5.
It's okay.
I broke it. Sorry. No, sorry, not sorry.
It's not even. So you're gonna play some Minecraft?
This guy's always on Fortnite. He's my stepbrother.
Bro, this dude. Look at this dude. So can you make our
Yo, he has 3 friends
bruh.
and his followers. You should see how much followers I have. Come on, if this shit don't work, I'm gonna kill myself.
So later, can you make our little friends see a little bit of Call of Duty?
Okay, I don't have to leave.
God, you have to. Wait, did you delete the game?
Let's go! Let's go! That's me! Look at this sexy dude. I'm gonna add a friend. Alright, this is me. Universe Laser is me. Where you see Nuno Sanchez?
Yeah.
That's my mom's nickname and her last name.
What?
But now the
So it's Janita and Nunu?
No. You know she has 5 middle names? Her real name is
Damn.
Janita Mercedes Sanchez.
Maranita Nina chances.
Janita Mercedes Sanchez.
Okay. So her nickname is Nunu.
Yeah. How the hell you spell your name?
Look at this dude. Why have these days just feel so long? Have them? You know it's still Sunday.
What the hell?
It's still
Gucci.
I'm Gucci. Wait, I'm Jaisha. I'm Gucci Flu. Wait, what?
Gucci.
Oh my God! Is that even a word?
I don't know. It's my word though.
Fluting. Oh no.
Shit, this is on my account. Wow.
Just wow. Wow, you have done a stupid thing.
Yay! See, that's me.
Got it.
Alright, now I'm gonna add you.
Alright. Wait, I want you to put.
Hold on,
Okay,
I'm
can you
gonna
download Fortnite?
Wait, yeah,
Download it so then we can both play.
I know.
University. You know what I did to my dad's room yesterday?
What?
I filled it with toys.
Oh, it was off at E.
Duh. Subscribe for part 2. Bye.